Automation is the future of retail and is already being rapidly adopted by innovative retailers. But for the retailers who are hesitant to take the plunge, the cause is often concerns about the logistical toll of integrating such technology. At Trigo, our expertise lies with retrofitting existing stores. We have already transformed diverse formats into digitized, automated, smart stores. But what does the onboarding journey with Trigo look like? Let's take a couple of minutes to explain what you can expect from the store automation retrofit process. Once the contract is signed, our collaboration begins. Expect this process to take several weeks. We'll start with the kickoff meeting between our project teams. Here, we introduce your R&D product and project teams to our dedicated R&D integration and customer experience team. All the details of the project management roadmap will be shared at this point. The best advice I can give to successfully complete this stage is for teams to come into it as partners. Trigo is operating from a customer-centric position, which for us means flexibility. Our entire solution, hardware and software, is malleable and designed to support your existing setup. This step requires close collaboration and the open flow of information, product information and feedback from tills. We work together to design your ideal customer journey and app features. This is where the heavy lifting is. Let's talk installation. Our computer vision solution requires the installation of ceiling cameras and smart shelves. Designed to work around your regular store hours, this can be done with minimal disruption to store operations. We can either suggest our trusted third-party contractors or work with your local team. We also share our invaluable insights and best practices honed from previous projects. Next, we train your store colleagues on the system, shadow them for a while, and then offer remote support. As the store goes live, we'll guide you through our support process and offer full remote troubleshooting. Anticipate about 3 weeks of QA and beta, during which we'll iron out any issues, giving you a smooth handover. Even after the store is up and running, our teams will continue to support you with weekly production meetings and a ticketing platform to allow for consistent communication and swift issue resolution. With Trigo, transforming your retail space into a smart store is a streamlined, well-supported process. Take the leap into the future of retail, and we'll be there to guide you every step of the way. Want to hear more about the practical aspects of smart store retrofit? Use the link to book a call with us.